So yeah, I finally got my new Fujifilm camera. Well, we actually with family just went away to the seaside, but the weather outside is so bad. The wind is so humongous, so we need to stay more inside. And I thought while we are staying inside, I maybe will use this time and share with you my first impressions with my new camera, Fujifilm X-T30 Mark II that I bought recently. I bought it with a kit lens, but here on camera there is Fujifilm 27mm 2.8 lens. You see how tiny it is, very slim profile, so it's very pocketable. I have a fanny pack that fits this camera perfectly. I won't be able to do a comprehensive review just now, but I want to share with you some first impressions. So what do I think about the body and materials that it made of? Well, I think it's really great. The quality is here, everything is spot on, and I don't think it could break easily. So it's tiny camera, but not that easy to break, I think the word would be. Also, I liked this one here. This flash opens so nicely. It got nice feel to it. So I have shot few shots here on the seaside yesterday. I will show you. Let me know in the comments what do you think about them. And right now the grip here is fine. I don't think I need a bigger grip yet. And here thumb grip also fits my thumb perfectly. So yeah, I just wanted to share with you how excited I am with my new camera that I can carry with me around all the time if I want. It's not for work, just for my family and my spare time, shooting seaside, for example. And if you want to know more about this camera, what I think of it, what I expect should I review for you, let me know in the comments, and in the future video I will do that. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, leave a like if you want to support me and share my happiness with buying this camera. And I hope to see you soon when we will be talking more about photography. So have a nice day and keep shooting.